Hello, everyone. My name is Joseph Bernaudo. I'm the lead research and design engineer for your Mortuary Magic Store. And given the nature of the COVID outbreak, thought it would be appropriate to show you how to create a low-grade face shield out of available things at your funeral home, such as a dry cleaning hanger and a laminate sheet. The laminate sheet is polypropylene, so it's very safe. From here, you can twist the hanger free and then quite simply weave the hanger through the laminate sheet. Repurposing has been going on in several countries for several years, and in situations of emergency, it sometimes is necessary as our supply of the proper items become depleted. So while face shields are no longer available and funeral homes wish to have face shields, the reality is some may be called to do what their job is without the proper PPEs. This can totally be easily fixed upon somebody's head and afterwards disposed of. And for those that are called to do the job and in excess because others cannot, if this is sufficient as far as safety and your well-being, I would encourage you to proceed with something of this nature. May everybody be safe. If you do have a need for something more rigid, you can use a folder instead. Also something that is readily available of polypropylene. You just punch the hanger through.